Hey everyone, my name is Nev, and today I'm answering a question that I've been asked a lot. When some time ago I made a video explaining how to do a clean installation of Windows 10, but I totally forgot to mention where you can buy the cheapest Windows 10 license key. And also, to help you out, I'm gonna provide a 20% discount code so that your total for a Windows 10 license key will be just a little over $10 US. And I'm pretty sure most of you want to activate Windows 10 legally, so take advantage of this opportunity. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright, so the website it's called whokeys.com. Once you go to the website, you're gonna notice that they sell games with a discount as well as PlayStation Network prepaid cards. On the search bar, type Windows 10 and you're gonna get a bunch of results, and you should pick the first one that says Microsoft Windows 10 Pro OEM CD key global, which at the time I'm recording this video, the price is $1383 US. This license key works for 32 and 64-bit systems, so you don't have to worry about which one your computer is running. Then just click on Buy Now, and you're gonna have to create an account. It just takes like a minute. After that, once you're in your shopping cart, go ahead and enter the discount code, which is ET20, which will give you 20% off. And your total is gonna drop down to $1106. I don't know about you, but this is a great deal for Windows 10 Pro license keys. And after that, just click on Submit Order. And now you have to choose your payment method. I'm gonna use PayPal. And then you're gonna get an order number. The website will automatically take you to the User Center menu. And in there, just click on My Purchase Orders. And finally, click on View Keys/Codes. And at the bottom, you should be able to see your Windows 10 license key. Now, I'm gonna show you how to activate Windows 10 using the new license key. On the search bar, type Control Panel. Then go to System and Security. And then click on System. Under Windows Activation, click on Change Product Key. And go ahead and enter the code. And then click on Next. And that's it. If you want to learn how to do a clean installation of Windows 10 on your computer, you can click right here or click on the link I will provide in the video description. If you have any questions or a video suggestion, leave a comment and subscribe if you want to watch more videos just like this one. And I'll see you on the next one.